Hello students, hope you are fine and safe at home. We have completed our first chapter, The Race, written by Nisha Punjabi. Tarun was the main character in this chapter. So, the story of the Tarun highlights the importance of hard work, encouragement and motivation in achieving one's goal. Today we are going to learn a second lesson, learning the game, written by Sachin Tendulkar. All of you know about Sachin Tendulkar, isn't it? Yes, former Indian cricket player. Learning the game is the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. What do you mean by autobiography? Autobiography is a history of the person's life written or told by that person. Means self-written life story. അല്ലേ, സ്വന്തം ജീവിതത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് സ്വന്തമായി എഴുതിയ വിവരണത്തെയാണ് ആത്മകഥ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ലേണിംഗ് ദ ഗെയിം അതൊരു ആത്മകഥ. ആരുടെ ആത്മകഥ? സച്ചിൻ തെണ്ടുൽക്കറിൻ്റെ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻ എക്സ്ട്രാക്ട് ഫ്രം ഹിസ് ഓട്ടോബയോഗ്രഫി പ്ലേയിങ് ഇറ്റ് മൈ വേ. പ്ലേയിങ് ഇറ്റ് മൈ വേ എന്ന ഓട്ടോബയോഗ്രഫിന്നെടുത്ത ഒരു ചെറിയ ഭാഗമാണ് learning the game. In this lesson, Sachin is going to share his personal experience with us. Okay, so let us see about the author. Who is the author? Yes, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first to score a double century in a one-day international, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international cricket matches in total. He received the Arjuna Award in 1994, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997 and the Padma Shri and the Padma Vibhushan Awards in 1999 and 2008 respectively. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, on 16th November 2013. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Learning the game is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. So, now look at the video clip. Here, now all of you open your textbook, page number 20. The story of Tarun highlights the importance of hard work, encouragement and motivation in achieving one's goal. Now let's read the words of the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar about his efforts to become a good cricketer. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television, and in our games, I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsmen that I studied. I also loved bowling. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. So, Sachin says that Sachin used to play cricket with his colony friends even at a very younger age. Okay, he loved watching cricket on television. Do you like to watch cricket on television? Yes, all of you are like no. So like that, Sachin also liked to watch cricket on television. I often try to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. Who are the favorite players of Sachin Tendulkar? Yes, Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards, West Indian legend Viv Richards. So, Sachin often tried to emulate means imitate the mannerisms of his favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsmen that I studied. I also loved bowling. Sachin says that he loved to bowl. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in a nets. He says that throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. Okay. എന്നാൽ സച്ചിന് ഇത് കോളനി ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ ഒന്നിച്ച് കളിക്കുമായിരുന്നു ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ. ഹി ലവ്ഡ് ടു വാച്ച് ക്രിക്കറ്റ്. ദെൻ പിന്നെ ആരാണ് ഫേവറേറ്റ് പ്ലേയേഴ്സായ സുനിൽ ഗവാസ്കറും വെസ്റ്റ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ലെജൻഡ് വിവ് റിച്ചാർഡിൻ്റെ അവരുടെ മാനറിസം പിന്നെ അനുകരിക്കാൻ നോക്കി. ഓക്കെ, അവരുടെ സ്റ്റൈല് ഫോളോ ചെയ്തു. സോ ഹി ലവ്ഡ് ബൗളിംഗ്. സോ he says that I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. So here he says that he bowled a lot in the nets means cricket nets are used by batsmen to practice their cricketing techniques. അല്ലേ? എവിടെയാണ് എന്താണ് അതിൽ പറയുന്നത്? ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കളിക്കാർക്ക് പ്രത്യേകമായി പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഏരിയയാണ് നെറ്റ് അല്ലേ, നെറ്റ്സ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ കുറേ ബൗൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achedkar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp, but then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. I was 11 years old then. Achedkar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So, at that time, Sachin says that he was studying in the New English School, Mumbai. But his brother, who was his brother Ajit. Okay, Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achedkar sir was the cricket coach, giving more importance to cricket. Okay, compared to other school, Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achedkar sir giving more importance to cricket. So Ajit, what he did, he took him to the camp to get trained under sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp, but then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. ആർക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിലും എവിടെ ക്യാമ്പിൽ പോവാം, പക്ഷേ സർ ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്യും ആരെ അക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. I was 11 years old then. My age is 11 years. So Achedkar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So സാറിൻ്റെ ഏജും 11 വയസ്സിലാണ് സാറും ക്രിക്കറ്റ് കളിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത്. അപ്പോൾ അതേ സമയത്ത് ഇപ്പോൾ സച്ചിൻ്റെ പ്രായം 11 വയസ്സ്. That is here told. Okay. So what similarity can you find between Sachin and Achedkar sir? Tell answer. What similarity can you find between Sachin and Achedkar sir? Yes, both started playing cricket at the age of 11. Okay, understood, no? So I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable with sir watching me so closely. I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. Okay, so he says that I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. So many people are looking there. So he was nervous. Okay. So he had never batted. It is his first time, first attempt. Okay. I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവരും കാണുമ്പോൾ സച്ചിനൊരു എന്തായി ഒരു നെർവസ് ഉണ്ടായി. വിത്ത് സർ വാച്ചിങ് മീ സോ ക്ലോസ്ലി ഐ ഫെയിൽ ടു മേക്ക് ആൻ ഇമ്പാക്ട്. സർ ആൾസോ വാച്ചിങ് ക്ലോസ്ലി. ഓക്കെ. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. So he told to Sir told to Ajit that I am too young to make the camp. So he suggested that he should bring me back when I was little older. കുറച്ചും കൂടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ചെറിയ പ്രായമാണ്, കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് കുറച്ച് വലുതായ ശേഷം ഇവിടെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നാൽ മതി ക്യാമ്പിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. My intention into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence, having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achetgar sir. പക്ഷേ അജിത്തിനെ അറിയായിരുന്നു, എൻ്റെ ബ്രദറിന് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു എനിക്ക് കഴിവുണ്ട്, എനിക്ക് നന്നായി പെർഫോമൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയാമെന്ന് അജിത്തിന് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു. സോ വാട്ട് ഹി ഡിഡ് അജിത് he explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. സാറിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു ചാൻസും കൂടി കൊടുക്കണം, സച്ചിന് ഒരു ചാൻസും കൂടി കൊടുക്കണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. So he says that sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. കുറച്ച് ദൂരെ പോയിട്ട് സർ അവനെ വാച്ച് ചെയ്യണം. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. So now I am free. He says that I am free, so it is easy for me to hit the ball well. അല്ലേ, സാർ അവിടെ നോക്കുന്നില്ല എന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കുട്ടിക്ക് കുറച്ച് ധൈര്യം കിട്ടി, അപ്പോൾ നന്നായി കളിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. സച്ചിൻ. ഓക്കെ. This time sir agreed to let me join the camp. So he was agreed to join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. It is the opportunity that transformed means changed my life. Okay. So here then he says that he was very happy to get train under sir. So he got training now. അപ്പോൾ അവനൊരു ചാൻസ് കിട്ടി അവിടെ ക്യാമ്പിൽ എന്താണ് അവനെ സെലക്ട് ആക്കിയില്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ അവനൊരു സന്തോഷമായി സച്ചിന്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ദ ക്യാമ്പ് ഇൻവോൾവ്ഡ് എ സെഷൻ എവറി മോർണിംഗ് ആൻഡ് ഈവനിങ് അറ്റ് ശിവാജി പാർക്ക്. ഐ വുഡ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So camp involved a session every morning at Shivaji Park. Okay, the time is between 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. പിന്നെ ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം ആദ്യം പിന്നെയും പോകണം പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ, പിന്നെ വരുന്നത് വൈകുന്നേരം. ഓക്കെ. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. The schedule was rigorous. Rigorous means strict. Okay. And I would be exhausted by the end of the day. I am very tired. Okay. Why? Full day practice, so I tired. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. So he says that his house is at Bandra. Okay, then the camp is held at Shivaji Park. So traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house. He says that traveling from Shivaji Park took 40 minutes. So, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. അപ്പോൾ രാവിലെ തന്നെ ബസ്സിൽ പോകണം, ശിവാജി പാർക്കിലേക്ക് എത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് 40 മിനിറ്റ്സ് ബസ്സിൽ യാത്രയുണ്ട്. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nonsense of batting. ഇപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അജിത്ത് ഒന്നിച്ച് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്, സച്ചിൻ്റെ ഒന്നിച്ച്. ദെൻ ഹി സേസ് നോൺസെസ് ഓഫ് ബാറ്റിംഗ്. നോൺസെസ് മീൻസ് എങ്ങനെ ചെറിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ വരെ സച്ചിന് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്നത്, ബാറ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും സച്ചിന് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു അജിത്ത്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഐ ഓൾവേസ് എൻജോയ്ഡ് ദീസ് കോൺവെർസേഷൻ എ ലോട്ട്. ബാറ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെ തന്ത്രങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുക, എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ബാറ്റിംഗ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ആർക്ക്, സച്ചിന് അത് നല്ല സന്തോഷമായി. അറിഞ്ഞാൽ അവന് കുറച്ച് അറിവ് കിട്ടിയല്ലോ, ചെറുപ്രായമായതുകൊണ്ട് അവനറിയില്ല. സോ in fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. ആർക്കും കിട്ടാത്ത എനിക്ക് മാത്രം കിട്ടിയ ഒരു കോച്ചിങ് മാനുവൽ ആയിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ. ആരുടെ? അജിത്തിൻ്റെ. അജിത്ത് ഈസ് ഹിസ് ബ്രദർ. നോ. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes and the routine was to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. Ajit says that I had only one set of cricket clothes and wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. മോർണിംഗ് സെഷൻ കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പാട് വന്നിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? അതിനെ ഉടനെ കഴുകണം അല്ലേ? അല്ല, ഒരു സെറ്റ് മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ ക്രിക്കറ്റ് ക്ലോത്ത്സ്. വൈ I had my lunch, the cloth would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. വന്ന ശേഷം ഉച്ചക്ക് ലഞ്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അപ്പം തുണിയിലൊക്കെ ഡ്രൈ ഔട്ട്. then he wear that in the afternoon. വൈകുന്നേരം പിന്നെ അതിനെ വാഷ് ചെയ്ത ഡ്രസ്സ് ഇട്ടുകൊണ്ട് പോകും. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. Thus the pattern was repeated. Okay, so in the following morning also like that. The system worked well apart from my pockets. The system worked well but apart from my pockets. പക്ഷേ പോക്കറ്റ് മാത്രം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, എപ്പോഴും വെട്ടായിരുന്നു, ഇത് ഉണങ്ങുന്നില്ല. എന്തുകൊണ്ട്? ഇത് രാവിലെ പോയിട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് അതിനെ കഴുകിയിടും, അപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ നേരെ ഉണങ്ങാറില്ല. ഒരു സെറ്റ് ക്ലോത്ത് മാത്രം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, there was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp I played with the wet pockets. He says that I played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practice all year round. പിന്നെ by the middle of the summer camp, Sir started taking an active interest in my batting. Sir took active interest in my batting, and Sir told that at the end of the 2 months, he told that what I had the potential, I had the capacity to be a good cricketer if I practice all year round. ഒരു വർഷം കൂടി പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്താൽ നല്ലൊരു ക്രിക്കറ്റർ ആവാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. However, my school, the New English School in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So Sachin is studying in the school, the New English School, isn't it? So Sir told that you have to change your school. You have to go to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. Why he told you to go to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir? Because who is the coach there? Yes, Ramakant Achetkar sir was the coach. So here New English School in Bandar did not have cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So if I follow cricket seriously. So one evening sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. So one evening sir called my father and he put forward this what suggestion. What is the suggestion? Changing school. Okay. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. So Ajit also agreed to change the school. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objection to my changing schools, he had no objections, no opposition. Okay, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So he says that Sachin was really serious about playing cricket, then he should change the school. Who told? Father told that Sachin was really serious about playing cricket, then he should change the school. I should do so if I was really serious about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. So I agreed to go to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Achareka sir was the cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഊർജവും ക്രിക്കറ്റിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ചെലവഴിച്ചു, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the result. He says that you have to try hard, work hard without bothering about the result. Okay, without worrying about the result. So here one activity, I will give you an activity. Okay, all of you open the page number 28. See their activity. Prepare a profile of Sachin's coach Ramakant Achetkar using the information given below. Hints are given there. So what you have to do? You have to prepare a profile. All of you are studied now in 8th standard. So hints are given. See there. Name Ramakant Achetkar. Year of birth 1932. Place of birth Malwan, Maharashtra. Then occupation cricket coach. Founder Kamath Memorial Cricket Club at Shivaji Park. Then famous players trained. Then awards and honors. So hints are, points are given there. So you have to try to write profile of Sachin's coach. So all of you write it in your notebook. Okay, it is the time to wind up our class.